How to fix app permission not working on Android. Firstly, restart your phone. It sounds simple, but it fixes permission glitches caused by temporary system issues. You can also try to check permissions manually. Sometimes apps don't request permission properly. For this, open Settings and go to the Apps. Inside App, choose your app. Inside the App Info page, you will see the permission option. Click on that. Turn on the required permission such as camera, storage, microphone, location, etc. Also check special permissions. If you go back to the apps section and at the top right corner, if you click on the three dot icon, then select the option special access, you will land here. Now you will see different kind of options in this page. Now you will need to enable any required permission from all these options. Check these categories specially. Appear on top, modify system settings, install unknown apps, battery optimization, usage access, and file access. If the app is disabled, click on the switch icon to enable it. That's all for today. Thank you.